Today, we all know Elon Musk as a billionaire genius, the man behind Tesla, SpaceX, and Neuralink. But success did not come to him overnight. Behind the flashy headlines, the rocket launches, there is a story of struggles, failures, and unshakable determination. Born in South Africa in 1971, Elon was shy, introvert kid. He loved reading, sometimes up to 10 hours a day. But school was not easy. He was bullied, beaten, and even hospitalized once. In his 20s, Elon moved to the US and started his first company Zip2. It was sold for millions. Then he founded X.com, which later became PayPal. But guess what? He was kicked out as a CEO from his own company. Instead of giving up, Elon poured his money into two new companies, SpaceX to colonize Mars, Tesla to revolutionize cars. Everyone said he was crazy. He was laughed at, rejected, and his companies were on the edge of bankruptcy. But in 2008, both SpaceX and Tesla were failing. He had just one rocket left. If it failed, it was all over. But the rocket succeeded, and so did Tesla just in time. Today, Elon Musk is worth more than $200 million, runs multiple companies, and is shaping the future of energy, transport, and humanity itself. Elon Musk's journey proves that failure is not the end, it's part of the path. If you believe in your dream, keep going because struggle is the price you pay for the greatness. Friends, comment if you are also working hard for your success. If Elon Musk's story inspired you, hit that like button, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more motivational stories. Thank you.